Hi everyone! Welcome back to another Maker Monday video with the President James K. Polk State Historic Site. My name is Kate, and today we're going to talk about a really simple craft, something to get you out in the garden, enjoying the beautiful weather, and something that should be very easy to make with things you can find around your house and already in the yard. Let's take a look. Alright, hope that was fairly easy to understand. We use these really simple trellises in our historic kitchen garden for squash and cucumbers, other vining vegetables. You could also use them for vining flowers or ornamentals in your yard. If you have any questions about how we made this or how you can make your own, just let us know in the comments below. I'm also going to insert after this a couple pictures of our pea trellises, which we also made with sticks and twine, but just in a sort of different format. So you can take a look at that and maybe get some more inspiration. Otherwise, let us know if you have any comments, and we'll see you next week. Bye.